One of my friends has a listing here that we need to get sold. Just want to give you guys a quick walkthrough. We are in the east side part of town. This home is a 4-bedroom, 2.5 bath. As you can see, it has a 2-car garage. This home was built by LGI. A really nice home. You have your driveway. It has pavers. Could fit a full-size truck. Right here we are located on a cul-de-sac, which is pretty nice if you have little ones. You don't have to worry about traffic flying through here. And then just a quick shot of the neighborhood. As you can see, they have wide streets. You can park on both sides. There's plenty of parking. Let's take a walk inside. So you can see this one has the entrance tucked in here to the right side. It's just pretty nice. On your entry, you have this mudroom with an accent wall. And to the left, we're gonna have the bedrooms. We have the garage. You have a tankless water heater, which is pretty nice. The walls are finished in the garage. It's a 2-car garage. You have storage. So this is an SUV, just to put it on scale. Maybe a big truck would be kind of tight. But if you fit 2 smaller cars, it would fit nicely. You have your herringbone LVP. Have your living room, kitchen area. And here we have Victor. Stainless steel appliances. Have your shaker cabinets. So this home is upgraded with a 5-panel door, which is pretty nice. You would have them in every single door in all closets and rooms. You have your kitchen island where you can put stools. Have breakfast. Let's take a look back in the backyard. So the backyard, it's nice and spacious. This is the biggest yard in the neighborhood. You have a patio cover. These are your neighbors. You have vinyl fence on each side, and then you have your CMU. So this one is low maintenance with gravel and turf. You can always put trees or grass if you like, but this right here would be easy to maintain. Here to the right, we have your entrance so that you can put your trash cans. It does come included with a microwave. You have your gas stove, your dishwasher, plenty of space, cabinet space. Now here to the right, you have your half bath. You have granite countertops. Here to the left, we do have your Harry Potter closet underneath the stairwell. Now let's go check out the bedrooms. As we go upstairs, as you can see, the walls do have a semi-gloss paint on it, so it's easy to maintain. So here we have our loft, which is really nice, where you can put, a TV or a computer. If you're working from home or if you have kids, it'd be a nice area for them. You have your washer dryer area upstairs. Here to the right of the stairwell, you would have your 2 bedrooms. Okay, and then you have your full bath. You have LVP on the flooring. You have granite, sorry. And then here you would have your bedroom number 3. Right next to the primary bedroom. They all have ceiling fans. Here you have your primary closet. Nice and spacious. Then you have your primary bathroom. And this one does also have, this one is a single sink. It does have granite countertops and the same style of cabinets on all bathrooms with the kitchen. And then this one does have a stand-up shower. Easy to clean, but very nice overall. Let me know what you guys think on the comments down below. If you have any questions, know anyone that would be interested on this home, please feel free to reach out. Thank you.